Hello there and welcome back to YOLO. In today's video, I'm just gonna keep going right where I ended in the last video. I'm gonna teach you guys how to settle in your brakes, how to wear in your brake pads. This is mainly to prohibit glazing, which is when your brake pads get too hot prematurely, which ain't good. It's just you lose traction and causes accidents. Not healthy for you. First things first, you gotta get into your car. There you go. So your brake pads are new, your brake discs are new, and you want to prohibit glazing from happening. Glazing is when your brake pads and your brake discs get hot, like way too hot, prematurely. This can be prohibited by undergoing a short procedure before hitting the brakes too hard. So you want to find yourself a small little back road like here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to accelerate to about 30 kilometers an hour and then slowly hit the brakes, coming to about 10 kilometers an hour. You want to repeat that a few times, up to 30, slow braking down to 10 kilometers an hour. Next up, we up the speeds a bit. We go to approximately 50 and we do the same thing. Slowly brake down till about 10 or 20. And you do that one more time. There you go. Brake down. It is important when you're doing this, you do not want to come to a complete stop. You want to make sure that you're always moving, because the key of this procedure is to make sure that your brake pads and your brake discs are wearing evenly, and you want the shape to conform so that you have maximum braking power and that your brake pads and your brake discs are seated well. Accelerate to 30 kilometers an hour, brake down to 10. Accelerate to 50 kilometers an hour, brake down to 10. Then you might want to accelerate all the way up to like 80 or so, and then also slowly hit the brakes and come to an almost complete stop, also back down to 10. There you go. Once you've done that, your brakes have successfully been worn in. Then you're good to go on the highway, as you can see here. There you go, no problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's how you set your brakes in, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys, bye bye.